Hello, I'm going to show you a letter and you're going to tell me the letter and the sound. All right, here we go. Letter, sound, good job. Letter, sound, good job. Letter, sound, make sure you make the motion. Letter, sound, letter, sound, you've got it. Letter, sound, awesome, good job. Letter, sound, there you go. Letter, sound, good job. Letter, sound, ooh, great turtles. Letter, sound, letter, sound, good job. Letter, sound, very good, I like your fountains. Letter, sound, good job. Letter, sound, great helicopters. Letter, sound, good job. Letter, sound, good job. Letter, sound, ooh, good job. Just like a smiley face, good job. Letter, sound, good job. Two sounds in that one. Letter, sound, good job. Lots of kings and queens today. Letter, sound, awesome. Letter, sound, good job. Awesome. Letter, sound, good job. Letter, sound, awesome, good job. Letter, sound, you've got it. Letter, sound, good job. Letter, sound, ooh, good job. Now I'm going to ask you to listen to 3 words, and you're going to say the 2 that rhyme. Remember, the rhyming has the vowel and the ending the same. Okay, here we go. Listen. Good job. Cat, fat, mop. One more time. Cat, fat, mop. Cat, fat. Good job. And what's at the end? At. Good job. 3 more words. Listen. Eyes, eyes. Ears, ears. Get, met, me. One more time. Get, yet, me. Get, yet. And what's the ending? At. Good job. Okay, eyes, eyes, ears, ears. Here's another one. Hit, bit, can. One more time. Hit, bit, can. Hit, bit. Good job. And what's at the end? It. Good job. All right, here we go. Eyes, eyes, ears, ears. Hot, caught, see. One more time. Hot, caught, see. Hot, caught, ought. Good job. You're doing great. Eyes, eyes, ears, ears. Here's another one. Hut, not. One more time. Sorry. Hut, nut, so. One more time. Hut, nut, so. Hut, nut, ut. You've got it. Okay, here's another one. Eyes, eyes, ears, ears. Ran, can, did. One more time. Ran, can, did. Ran, can, and. Good job. You're doing so good. Okay, eyes, eyes, ears, ears. Men, hen, sat. Men, hen, sat. Men, hen, ends at the end. Good job. Okay, eyes, eyes, ears, ears. Did, hid, got. Listen. Hid, did, got. Hid, did. Good job. Id is at the end. You're doing so good. Eyes, eyes, ears, ears. Good job. Hop, pop, cut. Listen. Hop, pop, cut. Pop, pop, op. Good job. You're doing so good. One more time. One more. Listen, eyes, eyes, ears, ears. Pup, cup, mad. One more time. Pup, cup, mad. Pup, cup, up. Good job. Put your hand on your back. Say, I'm doing so good. You are doing so good. Now we're going to do the beginning sound. Show me your hand. Good job. I'm going to say 2 words, and you're going to say the beginning sound that comes at the beginning of both. Okay, here we go. Listen. Big boy. B was at the beginning. Good job. Listen. Dig, den. D, very good. Listen. Good job. Fun, fast. Very good. You're getting it. Next one. Go, get. G, good job. Okay, listen. Here's another one. Hum, hat. What's at the beginning? Hum, hat. Very good. Good job. Listen. Jump, job. Jump, job. J, very good. Here's another one. Kite, kiss. What's at the beginning? Kite, kiss. K is at the beginning. Good job. Here's another one. Leg, love. Ooh, it's at the beginning. Good job. Me, men. Me, men. It's at the beginning. Good job. Here's another one. Nice, new. It's at the beginning. You're doing so good. Now, I'm going to give you 2 syllables, and you're going to put them together. You ready? Candy. Candy. Good job. Here's another one. Basket. Basket. Good job. Doctor. Doctor. Good job. Elbow. Elbow. Wow, you're doing great. Napkin. Napkin. Good job. Picnic. Picnic. Wow. Princess. Princess. Good job. Tick it. Ticket. Very good. Let's do the last one. Puppet. Puppet. Good job. You're doing so good. Good job, brain. Now we're going to do our ending sound. Put your ending sound hand up. You're doing so good. All right, here we go. Jab. The ending sound. The last sound I hear in the word jab. B is at the end. Good job. The last sound I say in this word. You're going to say the word after me. I say the word, then you say the word, then you say the ending sound. Glad. What's the word? Glad. D is at the end. Good job. Okay, next one. Listen, I'm going to say the word, then you're going to say the word. Tough. What's the word? Tough. F is at the end. Good job. Next one, the one that's all the way at the end. Stage. What's the word? Stage. J is at the end. Wow, you're doing great. Listen, I say the word, then you say the word. Bike. Bike. K is at the end. Good job. Full. Full. Ooh is at the end. The last sound I said. Next word. Gym. Gym. It's at the end. Good job. Pan. Pan. Was the last sound. Good job. Lap. Lap. P was at the end. Good job. Now I'm going to say a word, and you're going to tell me how many syllables. All right. Number. How many syllables? 2. Good job. Next one. Pencil. How many? 2. Good job. Baby. How many? 2. Good job. I see some of you doing clappers. I see some of you doing it in your head. Begin. How many? 2. Good job. Erase. Erase. 2. Good job. Gravy. 2. Good job. Open. 2. Good job. Absent. 2. You've got it. Habit. 2. Wow, you're doing so good. Put your hand on your back and say, I'm doing so good today. Wow. Now, I have a word, and it's colder. Colder. Now, I'm going to put I'll do it this way. This is colder. I'm going to take the away. Now it says cold. Good job. Now, if this is faster, I'm going to take the away. Now it says fast. Wow, you're doing great. Now, if this is cleaner, I'm going to take the away. And what does it say? Neat. Now, if this is neat, what if I put an at the end? Now what is it? Neater. Good job. Now, if this is neater, I'm going to take the away. Now it says neat. Very good. Now I'm going to take the neat away, and I'm going to change it to slow. Now what does it say? Slow. What if I had slow and I put at the end? Now what does it say? Slower. Very good. Now this is slower. I'm taking the away, and now it just says slow. Very good. Now I'm going to change it from slow to fast. What does it say? Fast. Now I'm going to put the back on. Now it says faster. Good job. Put your hand on your back. Oh, you're doing so good. Now, this is funny. What is it? Funny. What if I change it from funny and I put an at the end? So this is funny and this is Now it's funnier. Very good. Now if this is heavy, what's the word? Heavy. And I put an at the end. Now what does it say? Heavier. Very good. Now what if I had easy? What's the word? Easy. What if I put an at the end? Now what is it? Easier. Good job. Now what if this is early? What is the word? Early. What if I put an at the end? Now it says earlier. Good job. What if this is happy? What's the word? Happy. What if I put an at the end? Now it says happier. Very good. We're always happier together.